Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to discuss about Python dictionary method. So let's see what is it. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionaries. Okay, so these are the different kind of methods that are available to use in the Python to get the dictionary. Okay, so methods are mentioned here and I have also provided the description here for these methods. The first one is the clear off that will remove all the elements from the dictionary. The second one is the copy, which will copy all the dictionary. Third one is from keys. It will provide you the specified keys and value, and for like that only all these different kind of descriptions that are available. For example, the few more are there like update the dictionary with the specified key values pairs. And the last one is having the value of, it will return all the list of the values, list of all the values in the dictionary. So these are the different kind of terms that are available. So the next term we are having is for the Python. I'm sorry, for tuple. So in that case, only methods are available for that and descriptions are also available for that. So these are the different kind of descriptions and the methods that are available here. On screen, you can see that. Like the first one is the count of, which is the return the number of item to be specified in the values. Like that only all these kind of terms that are available here. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.